Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media, and I wanted to quickly record a little video for you all because I have some time right now and I've been wanting to catch up on my junk journal a little bit. I have been trying to little by little because I haven't been junk journaling for the past I would say couple of weeks, because honestly I ran out of glue and I ordered a ton off of Amazon, and I'm really excited now because look at all the glue we have. We're set for a while, so I'm really excited about that because now when I run out, I don't have to worry about going to the store. I can just grab some from my little stash. So a little just update on my junk journal. I think we made one of these together. Maybe this one, or was it this one? I don't remember which one it was, but this is where my junk journal is at. This keeps coming off, but I'm not even going to worry about it. I made this one yesterday, and then these two I made this morning. I'm actually pretty close to being done with this journal, which is crazy. So let's go ahead and get started. I have a few things that I was thinking about adding. Like I have this Lilo and Stitch, a little movie ticket. I have my Peach Riot stuff that I actually peeled it off the box so it wouldn't be so thick. So I'm definitely going to use that. And then I also have this bag that I got from Orange Pocky. And then I have a ton of other stuff in this bag, but I'll only dig in here if I need something. Like if I need to add something else, that's when, oh, maybe, no. I'm just going to keep it kind of simple is kind of the goal here because I don't want to overdo it. So let me cut up this bag for sure because I think that's going to be kind of the base of it. Okay, I was just grabbing my scissors here because I want it to be a little thinner, not thinner, smaller, obviously. What I like about junk journaling is that I don't have to think so much, and my goal always, I don't care if it doesn't look aesthetic, that's not my goal. So it definitely sometimes doesn't look very pretty, but I don't really care. That's not the point about junk journaling for me. So I just want to, I don't know, I feel like it's nice to do stuff and not think so much about it. So that's the goal here. Okay, so oh, it actually would fit perfect. So maybe we can add it like this. So let me fold it in half just so I know where it's gonna go. And open my glue stick. Whoops. I hate the way it does that, but you just have to embrace it when it gets to that point. Okay, so like that. Very, very simple. And then I think I am going to make this my Peach Riot section. So let me start gluing this down. Maybe we'll make a couple spreads because, like I said, I don't really do a lot of thinking. I just stick stuff down. So because of that, I feel like I don't take too long when putting the spreads together. Oh yeah, that looks kind of cool. I like that. And then I also have this part, which I'm actually going to cut off the part where it has the secret because I didn't get the secret. So I'm like, why should I even keep that part? Maybe I'll put this one down here. I'm going to have to use stickers here so it actually sticks down. And then the little cover of it. I think this is so cute. Yeah, I for sure do want to use that. I don't care if it covers up this stuff over here. I'm just gonna glue it down and hope for the best. That's cute. I don't think I have anything specific I'd want to add. I don't like that it doesn't pop because it's kind of maybe I put it up here somewhere. But you see what I mean? I don't like the way it doesn't stand out. Maybe on this side. I think that'll be cool. Yeah, I think I am going to put it on this side. And maybe we can use this. I like the way that it has the words right here. So maybe we'll use that part. This is from a puzzle I got, so if you're wondering, that's where that came from. Okay, that's good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and still add this, but I'm gonna cut the top off because it's just blank. I don't need to keep that on there. Okay. So like that. Cute. Okay, now let me look for some stickers that we can use on here. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna close this up for now because I'm not using it. But let's look for some stickers that we can use. I don't know if I'll have like, maybe the pandas will look kind of cute in here. Maybe like some of these, just in random little spots. Oh yeah, I do like that. Okay, I'm gonna definitely use a lot of pandas. Just because it also helps it hold the pages, the little stuff that I glued down, just because I don't want the edges to rise up. So just something like that in random spots. Okay, let me also grab, I think I have, let me check. Yeah, I sure do. I got a ton of these dots that I was going to use in my commonplace book. So I figured maybe I could use some of these just to add a little pop of color. But I'm only going to use orange. I think it's going to be the color. Okay, cute. I like that. I think that looks really fun. So that's pretty adorable. Okay, let's do one more because I do have a lot of junk that I need to get through. And two, I think I have like just a few pages left. So I think it would be fun to try to finish it out pretty soon. Yeah, okay. Let me look through this one right here. I do also want to use the bag because my sister-in-law got me a mug from Ralph's when they went to New York. And I just think it would be really fun to also use the mug. This was a fake Labubu that my husband got me. This came from New York. I just want to kind of theme it out as far as like the New York items. That was from, oh, this also came from New York. Okay, so all of this came from New York, so maybe we can do like a New York spread. But let me try to grab the bag. Okay, let's give this a try. So I do have all of these and the bags, and then I also kept this in the bags. Okay, so this one right here is a new series, so I'm thinking, would it be kind of cool if we just like went all the way down with the different series? Or is that a little lame? Because there's, maybe I just keep the front of it as well as this one from the Smiski. So that, this. And I wonder if this could even separate because I think I would want this side though. Yes, it does. Okay, good. Okay, perfect. Is this too much? Let me cut it down a little bit. Should I leave it as is? I think I should. So maybe like up here. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna stick it down and then go from there, like not worry about it again. Because I feel like if I start overthinking it, that's where like I get stuck and I don't move forward. So let me just glue this down and then we can go on. It's also making it really hard that the pages aren't staying still. Like they're not, the book isn't staying open anymore. So that makes it a little hard. So like up here, I think is gonna be the goal. And then let me grab this from the Smisky. Yeah, I basically want to cover up the bottom of like the page, and then I can start building from there. I think it's going to be my goal. Like that. This was my first Smisky Hipper, and I was really, really excited about it. Oh, this is lifting. I think it's just going to keep lifting, but it's okay. So this should be good. As well as this. Then let's grab the one for the Sunny Angel, and then we can stick this one over here. Okay, I think that's pretty cute. Now, I also have this right here. Maybe instead of using the entire, I think I may just use this section. So let me just cut this off. Maybe I'll do like that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. And that's cute. And then I may end up doing the same thing with the Smisky one over here. Okay, that's cute. Then I'm also gonna cut this off. I ended up getting the frog, so I think instead of using any of these other ones, I'm gonna use the frog one. Okay, that's cute. And I feel like this is a really good way of incorporating the green that's on this page to this side. I'm going to do the same thing where I remove the cardboard part, because I feel like that really helps it a lot, and it helps it not make the pages thick. Cute. Okay. Or maybe I will end up using these right here. But I'm gonna cut this off. Like just go around it. I gotta say I am pretty bummed with the one that I got, because I got this one that is upside down. So it's this one. So it goes like this. I wanted it for my computer so it could be looking at me, but I got the one that's facing down. So I just have them laying on my desk like this. Like it works out. So it's whatever, it's fine. Okay, I am debating though. Should I put it down here? I think I am, yeah. Okay, that works. I was thinking about putting it up here, but it just kind of makes no sense. Now I do have this one with the Sunny Angels, but does it even have the series that I got on here? Nope, it sure doesn't, because this is the one that I got. No, it is actually. Wait, this is another one that I got. So I got the lion off of this one. So it's this right here, this blue paper, this blue page. Okay. So maybe we put this one right here. Should I also try to round it out a little bit? I think we shall. Okay, cute. We can put it like straight. Okay, that works. Now, I think I am going to use this box as well. But I'm only going to use this little cover. I'm just going to cut it. Okay, that's cute. And then same thing, it's just separating from the cardboard. And I think I'm gonna put it there. I think that's cute. It did cut off a little bit of the image, but it's okay. It's fine. It's junk and it's not meant to be perfect. Yeah, that's cute. And because I incorporated this blue, I feel like I can incorporate this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up and do the same thing. Oh no, it teared. Gotta just be careful and hopefully, okay, we saved it. I'm gonna stick this one right here. The only other thing that was from New York was this bag, but I think I don't want to just cut it up too much, so I'm not going to use that. I am going to use this though. This isn't from New York, but when they got back from New York, we went to eat Chinese food all together, like as a family. So I thought that was really nice, and I did keep the little fortune cookie. Perfect. Okay, this also isn't from New York, but I think I'm going to use this part of the bag and stick it down there just to fill up the space a little bit. Yeah, I think that's cute. And it blends in, it kind of helps the blue come together. Okay, perfect. I don't think I have anything else, but I am gonna grab some stickers maybe. Just some stickers that like match the aesthetic, nothing crazy. I feel like it helps it like tie everything in. Maybe this one to just like hold the page down a little bit. And this Good Vibes one. I think that's gonna be it. Yeah, perfect. I think they look pretty cute. So I did that one and this one, and I think it looks pretty good. Now we can move on to the next one in a later video. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you made it this far, comment a frog emoji, and I will see you all again on Thursday for a vlog. Bye.